In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive. We'll guide you through this simple process to help clear up some space and keep your cloud storage organized. Whether you're a OneDrive newcomer or a seasoned user looking to streamline your file management, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your OneDrive. You can do this directly through a web browser or by using the OneDrive app on your computer or mobile device. If you're working from a web browser, simply go to the OneDrive website and log in with your Microsoft account. For those using the desktop app, you can access OneDrive from the File Explorer by clicking on the OneDrive icon in your system tray or taskbar. If you're on a mobile device, open the OneDrive app and sign in if prompted. Now that you're in, navigate to the file or folder you wish to delete. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct files. Once you've found what you need to delete, hover over the file or folder. If you're on a computer, you should see a small checkbox appear next to it. Clicking on this will let you select one or multiple items if necessary. On a mobile device, a press and hold will select the item. Remember, only choose items you no longer need, as deleting them will remove them from all synced devices. The next step is to delete your selected files. On the web or desktop, look for the Delete option, which might appear as a trash can icon located at the top menu bar. You can also right-click on the selected file or folder and choose Delete from the context menu. For mobile users, the Delete option typically appears at the bottom of your screen once a file is selected. Tap on this to proceed with the deletion. If you accidentally delete something, don't worry. OneDrive's recycle bin retains deleted items for 30 days. To restore a file, simply go to the recycle bin, select the item you'd like to recover, and choose the Restore option. This feature offers a safety net, so take advantage of it if you make a mistake. A quick reminder, permanently deleted files from the recycle bin cannot be recovered, so exercise caution when permanently clearing out the bin. It's a great practice to periodically review your recycle bin to ensure you're not holding onto unnecessary files that could free up valuable space if deleted. And there you have it, a straightforward process to delete files from OneDrive. With these simple steps, managing your cloud storage becomes more manageable and efficient. Feel free to come back to this video anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.